Dave uses bank connection services to link your account, which means the safety question depends on how the app protects your information and how you manage connected accounts. By the end of this video, you'll know how Dave works with linked bank accounts, what security steps it uses, and what to check before connecting your financial information. Dave is a financial app that provides money-related services through your phone. To use certain features, users may need to connect a bank account, so Dave can verify information and provide available services. Linking a bank account does not mean Dave becomes your bank or gains unlimited access to your money. Financial apps typically use secure connection methods to access the information needed for their features. The main thing to check is what information the app requests and why it needs it. Before connecting any financial app, review the permissions, privacy details, and account settings so you understand what data is being shared. Dave also uses security features designed to protect user accounts, but no online service can remove every risk. Your own account habits also matter. Using a strong password, keeping your phone secure, and avoiding suspicious messages can reduce the chance of unauthorized access. Another factor is choosing how you connect your bank account. If a service offers a trusted account connection method, using that official process is safer than entering financial information through unknown links or third-party websites. Dave can be useful for people who want access to money management tools and are comfortable using a financial app connected to their bank. If you prefer not to share banking information with any app, you may want to consider options that do not require account linking. Before you connect your bank account to Dave in 2026, check the current privacy policy, security information, and permissions shown during setup. Those details explain how your information is handled. So, is Dave safe to link your bank? Dave is designed with security measures to protect connected accounts, but the right choice depends on your comfort level with sharing financial data and how carefully you manage your account. The key points are simple. Dave is a financial app. Linking a bank account requires sharing information for certain features, and checking permissions before connecting matters. If you decide to try it, set up your account carefully and review the security settings first. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear app safety comparisons.